What's up guys, it's your boy John. We're back again with another video. Today we're going to be showing you how to get Android Auto Wireless to work on your head unit. Now your head unit needs to have Android Auto Wireless capabilities, so if you have that, check. But most Android Auto Wireless only works for the Pixel and Nexus, but with the recent updates, it works with any phone now, and I can show you how to enable it. It's just not cookie cutter. You actually have to do some stuff. Now the first thing you want to do is have your phone set up so you can hit that Bluetooth icon, the little gear on the top, and then we're gonna try to find our head unit with our phone. So we're trying to pair that together. So you want to go to the settings and get that hooked up. BT settings, visibility on. So it is on. So on this side right here, you want to hold that icon, and then we're trying to look for the head unit. So pair new devices under Bluetooth, and it's searching. It sees the head unit. Now this is the DMH WC6600 Next. So we want to connect to the 6600. It's going to show two numbers. Hit pair. Yes. So they're doing a handshake saying, hey, yo, we're buddies. We're good now. So the security is good to go. Now the next thing you want to do is you also want to plug it directly through USB. Now, that's important because this is like the Android Auto handshake right here. So we're plugging it together, and now it's telling me what would you want to do. Yes, we want to pair this. Notice that you have to Bluetooth pair it first for it to verify everything. So it's setting up, and you just keep saying yes, 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 and now you have Android Auto. I don't know why I said rejected, but now you have Android Auto on your screen here, and this, it's beautiful. It's looking good. It's looking real good. Now we can unplug it, and you have to go to, let me show you. You have to go on Android Auto on your phone. Hit the hamburger menu right there. I don't know if you guys can see that in focus. Go to settings. Go all the way down, you see the version. Spam that version number until it tells you to have dev settings, which I already did, so it's going to say I have dev permissions. Then you go to the three menu icon, go to developer settings, and you want to add wireless projection to the settings, and after that you'll be able to have wireless Android Auto. So the next time you get into your car, you're going to have wireless Android Auto, which is super nice. After you fire up your head unit, you have to restart it. I don't know why you have to do that, but you have to restart it, and now you'll see an Android Auto icon appear instead of connectivity. And you notice that on your phone it also will say like Android connected to your car, we're good to go, you know, no USB cables. And then you can click that, and boom, you have Android Auto wirelessly. So you can play songs and so forth. Now it's a little confusing again, so make sure in your Android Auto settings you need to have that developer settings on, and then you also need to have that wireless projection icon that I was showing you earlier. Now that's really important. I don't know why they don't just have that out of the box, but now you can basically use wireless Android Auto, which is super nice. Now that's a really nice feature. You get into your car, your Android Auto is good to go, and Apple CarPlay is the same thing too. So you go in your car, boom, it's there. So I'm really happy with that result, and I'm really pleased. So, thank you guys for watching the tutorial. I hope this helps a lot of people, because I actually kind of struggled because I thought it'd be really plug and play and intuitive, finding out that you need to go into the developer settings to turn it on if you don't have a Pixel. Okay. Anyways, if you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button. It helps a lot, and I will answer any questions and comments down below. So catch you guys in the next one. Peace.